A few weeks ago, I made a video about Kaspa probably entering an accumulation zone. And so far, Kaspa is doing exactly what it should be doing to tell us that that is truth. Accumulation zone is happening. But the most important test isn't here just yet. The most important test will be when Bitcoin will go and break below $60,000 and whether or not Kaspa will hold strong. I'm going to do three things in this video which are going to show you exactly my thoughts. One, I'm going to show you that the accumulation zone, how it looks like. I'm going to show you the relative strength, and I'm going to show you the levels that indicate whether I'm wrong or right. All right. So the first thing I want to do actually is this is the video. Making sure that you know about it. Go check it out. It's called "How is a Bull Run?" This is how a bull run starts in Kaspa, right? You can see that it's over here. Go check it in my page. Go check it out because I talk about the accumulation zone there. Maybe I'm going to put it in this side here when we finish the video. Number two, I want to show you the chart. This is Kaspa. And look at this. Kaspa, look at Bitcoin first. Look at Bitcoin. Look how it broke down in the past few days below this flag because this was in a bearish flag. So it broke below it, below the bear flag. This is very, very bearish over here. This should take altcoins down because if Bitcoin is down, altcoins should go down. And Kaspa actually had yesterday like even a bounce day, but didn't confirm any strong decline. We're still within the accumulation zone that I talked about in this past video I made that I showed in the beginning. This is the accumulation zone. I expect Kaspa, and by the way, this goes all the way to the past. Here, look, all the way to the past. If you want to see exactly what I mean about this, you can go and check out the video I told you about. By the way, you can't see it. Here it is, okay, because my picture is right in the middle. Anyways, this is the accumulation zone anywhere between roughly 0.025 to 0.042. This should be our accumulation zone and we shouldn't penetrate below it. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that as long as we're here, even if Bitcoin, remember Bitcoin, I believe is going to break below the $60,000 sooner rather than later. That is going to be the test. If when we break below the $60,000, maybe even towards 50,000, Kaspa just revisits the 0.025, so the 2.5 cents, and only gets back from there into the range, that is the relative strength that I'm looking for, that confirms that this is the accumulation zone. And anyone that is interested in accumulating needs to look at this area seriously. Now, one thing very important, any plan should have an invalidation, all right? Invalidation point. So if the validation points are between 0.025 and 0.042, then anywhere below 0.025, if it breaks lower, all right, this is invalidated, especially if it continues down. Yes, we can actually go lower. Sorry about this. We can actually go a bit lower from here. Let me just make sure that we see it exactly. Again, we can go lower than the 0.025, but if we do go lower, because Bitcoin breaks or the volatility hits, it needs to be fast and back in. This would be considered a shakeout. Now, a shakeout is different than if it's a real breakdown. So this area, the 2.5 cents, is the most critical and crucial zone that will tell us whether we are right, and I am right, in this accumulation zone theory and thesis, or whether I'm wrong. Okay, now one thing that you need to know is that this is the type of things that teaches you what might happen, but how to respond to it, that needs to be determined by what type of investor are you. And I created a free tool, very easy tool to determine which type of crypto investor are you. You can go, it's in the description or in the first comment. Click on it, as I said, free of charge. You go into it, you take the quiz, 3 minutes, a few professional questions, and then you'll get to your email the full package of your strength, your weaknesses, which type of crypto investor are you, and this will help you improve and actually become a better trader and investor. Go check that out. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming. This is Kaspa. Remember, 2.5 cents. That's what we're looking for. If have a shakeout, all good. But if it breaks down, it's invalidation, means I'm wrong. And I will make a video about that also. Thank you very much. Until next time, no wedge, no trade. Cheers.